Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an F65 error. So what does this error mean and can we get rid of it? So first of all, the F65 error means that there is a problem, there's some kind of fault with the light that's inside the drum. And you might even notice that the light is not functioning properly. So the first thing you can do is just to try to visually inspect everything and make sure everything looks like that it's assembled properly, it's installed properly, it's locked in place, it's plugged in and all that kind of stuff like that. And if everything like that looks good, then it could also be an electronics issue. And if in that case, I would recommend you doing a hard restart on the machine, which would mean just turning it off and disconnecting it from power fully. Either unplugging it at the wall, or if it's hardwired, turning it off at the circuit, and leaving it off for a full minute, then turning it back on and see if that doesn't clear out the error. So hopefully doing one or both of those things will get this error cleared out. If not, you're probably going to need to call a technician to come out and figure out what's going on deep in the bowels of your machine. But anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.